Hello everyone, welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's a Monday, February the 8th. Yes, 2021. All right. This one is a Three Stars Sudoku, and it will be a number 2293, and I already have counted all these printed numbers. 25, yes. And you're wondering what's happening with the newspaper. Well, the newspaper was not delivered by the paper boy. The publisher has decided decided today not to send the paper boy to deliver the papers. No, we have only a digital newspaper today because yesterday it was we have a heavy snowfall, so weather is very bad, so no newspaper delivering. So they have decided to publish it online, and I have downloaded this from the web page. All right, number 2293, Monday, February the 8th. Three Stars Sudoku. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Well, all right. This big square, we have four missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. We have a 4 and a 5 in this column, so no 4 and a 5 in these two boxes in this big square. So the 4 and the 5 goes in these two boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. These two numbers in this big square are reserved for the numbers 8 and the 6. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 and the 6. Three missing numbers now in this column. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in those two boxes. One box left for the 2. Should be there. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9 are missing. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row, so no row between. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The second row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. Well. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the column next? So in the last column, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 6 and the 8 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. Alright. And now, how about the 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row. Nope, not the 2 numbers. We have here also a missing number. I've marked this with 8 or a 6. Could be 8 or a 6. Alright. So, let me see. 3. 8. Yeah. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here already. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for a 7 should be here. 7 in this third row, 7 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Alright. Alright. How about yeah. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, no 1 in those 3 boxes. Here 1, no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then, I cannot continue with the 1. Alright. Let me think. 4. Alright. Yeah. I'm thinking. 8. It's taking too long. I think I need to mark some boxes. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 4. Could be here, could be there. In this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in that row. So the row between, the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4. Because we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. 3, 9, 4. No 5, 5, 5. We have a 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 5 should be there. That means in the second column, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in this big square, so no 5 in those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1, 3, 7. Yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, no 9 in those 2 boxes. There 9, no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9. Should be here. 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. And this should be a 6. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 9 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between. The only place for the 6 should be here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers 5 and 2. 5 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. The other 2 should be 4 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this can't be 4 anymore. This should be a 4. 1 number left in the first column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and 6. Now we have an 8 there. So this can't be 8 anymore. This should be the 8. This should be a 6. Okay, let me move this. Move the camera. Yes. We have 2 numbers left in this row. The 2 and the 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. No, still cannot fill this yet. 1 and 6. Alright. How about these 3 numbers in this column? 3 is missing. 6 is missing. And the 9 is missing. 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. And then one number left in the second row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes. And there, now we have a 4 here, so this can be 4 anymore. I've marked those 2 boxes with the 4, so this can be 4 anymore. This should be the 4, okay. Then, yeah. How about the 2 in this row, the 2 in that row, so in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2, that 2 should be here. Then 9 1. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those numbers are the 1 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We see here 1, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here or there. Then we see a 5 here, so no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 there, so this can be 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. Now we have a 6 here, so this can be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there, so this can be 5 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 1. Okay, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 9 and 8. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this 3 stars Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the 4 star Sudoku. See you later. Bye bye. For now.